Okay, to create a basket for the fruits, we need 2 balloons here. Inflate them all with 2 or 3 inches allowance. Now put it all together like this. Just like that. Now, create, let's say, 6 inches bubbles here. And now, let's say, let's add one more allowance, 7 inches like that. Now, let's create another bubbles. Put it all together just like this. Now, create another bubble here with approximate 9-inch allowance and put it here so that it will serve as the basket of our project here, because we are aiming to create a fruit basket. Now, this is the holder. All you need to do is to bend this and put this approximate length would be 15 inches. Put it around through here to lock it up. Now, this is the last end. Wrap this around here. And we have an instant basket. Fruit basket. Of course, we need the fruits. Where's the fruits? May I have the fruits and the vegetables. The vegetables. So we have fruits and vegetables here. We have carrots and grapes. That's it. An instant basket for our fruits and vegetables. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.